Ano po ba ang pinakamagandang nangyari sa inyo sa networking? Pwede rin po bang mangyari sa amin? Tama ba
Oo
yung
naman.
basa ko?
Bottom line, pare-pareho lang naman eh. Pinakamaganda nangyari, yumaman. Number 2, nagkaroon ng freedom. Number 3, traveled a lot. I love to travel. Number 4, yung magkaroon ka ng take control of your life. Maganda yun eh, yung you control your life.
Yes.
Kala natin ang benefit ng networking, yayaman ka lang magkaka-time. No. Actually, one of the benefits yung you take charge, you control your life. Yung ikaw nagpapatakbo ng buhay mo, hindi ibang tao.
Correct.
Yung bang tipong kung ano yung amount na gusto mong kitain, nasa kamay mo. Kung kulang sa'yo yung last month, pwede kang humataw ngayon para mas malaki. You can learn a lot of things when you travel. Ang sarap-sarap mong mag-travel kasi ang pagta-travel is learning also. You learn different cultures, you see different places, mas ma-appreciate mo ang Pilipinas, mas hindi mo rin ma-appreciate depende sa bansang mapupuntahan mo. And along the way, one of the greatest benefits is you will be able to gain many friends. Marami ka magiging kaibigan. You will learn, alam mo yun, madami ka matututunan sa iba't ibang mga tao. Marami ka magiging kaibigan. Tsaka yung madidevelop ka. Yun ang mga walang
Kapalit.
kapalit. Yung magbago yung perspective mo sa buhay, yung napaka-positive mo na everyday, yung magbago yung personality mo, how you treat life in general, yung you becoming a better person,
Yes.
yun ang walang benefit dito. Because ultimately, when you become successful in this business, I assure you, lalo na pag tama yung pagkakatrain, pagpapagrow sa'yo ng upline mo, you become a better person when you become successful in this business. Kaya kung ang tanong, yung nakikita nyo pong benefit and reward ng mga successful distributors, mangyayari din sa inyo yun. It's just a matter of time. Huwag ka lang magkukwit. Mangyayari rin sa'yo. Ang sabi nga ng nasira kong upline, Roy, it's a given in this business. Yung magiging successful ka, yayaman ka, it's a given. You just have to stay and never ever give up. Makukuha nyo lahat yan. Huwag lang kayo magkukwit.
Yes. Heaven. Living out of the box.